Hello friends, welcome at SK CAD/CAM Solutions. Today we are going to make a VMC program for blow molds. First I am going to open a blow mold 3D model. You can see here on my screen there is a cavity for the blow mold. It is top view, front view, and back is here is other views in the G view, back view. Okay, I have to work in back view. So that I have to first set the back view as a work coordinate system. I have set the back view as a work coordinate system. Next I have to mention the work coordinate system for XY position. So let us start here. Here is the bounding box command. I will select the model and the selection. Few lines are created here as a boundary. Then I am dragging this UCS here at the center of line as a work coordinate system. My work coordinate system work plane name is a plane. This is, you can find it here. Then you have to set here WCS work coordinate system. It is come here, you can see on the screen. Work coordinate system is at the center of the line. Once we imported the model, selected the work coordinate system, we have to check 3D model minimum curvature, minimum radius. For that we have to go in the home tab, curvature option, click on the arrow. This will analyze your model and will find out the minimum curvature in your model. I think some issues are shown here. Let us check again. Curvature. Manually also we can check minimum radius in your model. Here it shows that 4.8 mm radius. The smallest radius here is 0.5 mm. Okay, first today we are going to make a roughing operation for this. My model size I have to mention here. First I select the milling machine default, set the stock setup, click on the bounding box, select the model and the selection and click OK. Here you can see the stock model is added. You can see stock model in shaded view. You can hide and hide from this stock display option. I am hiding the model now. Now we are going to make a tool path. The model is 3D, so we are going to pocket or area roughing operation first. Area roughing, model geometry. In wall stock and floor stock I have to give the stock, how much stock we have to keep after the roughing. Select the faces. We'll select the model now, complete model. You can see the green color here. It is selected. I will mention here tool, or you can right click in this empty area, you can create a tool. 16 mm cutter I will use with 0.8 mm radius, 0.8 mm radius, and the parameter will be feed rate will be the 1600, plunge rate 600, retract rate will be 6500, spindle RPM will be 2400. Finish. You can see parameters are filled in the yellow box area. Holder not required to mention. Depth of cut is 0.3 mm. I have selected 0.25 mm is okay. 60 mm is my step 4. Corner rounding for the smooth flow machining. There are many small setting. Once you understand how to make a tool path, then you can automatically study on this. Everything is okay. Plane we must check all the 3 places. Plane must be same. Coolant I can on here, apply. Okay. This green symbol shows that tool path is being generated. You can see the tool path is generated here. Here also some tool path is created. We can avoid this by setting the parameter here. I will go to parameter, cut parameter. In the tool path control tab, if you give some diameter here, it will not enter in the same diameter. I will give here 18 mm as my tool is 16 mm, and I will generate again. You can see the tool is not going in the hole, it is avoided. Now we will go for 3D simulation. Stop condition for collision, and you can see in the color mode. Plus point of Mastercam is that you can rotate the model while 3D simulation also. It is like this. It is done. Roughing tool path is done and simulation is done here. So blue colors are tool path cutting moves, magenta color are the links, and the green color is ramping, yellow color is the rapid travel. You can see time from back plot. Click on the double arrow and information. 39 minutes program here. Rapid movement is 1.36 second. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the more videos, and don't forget to see rest machining next video for the same model.